Hello and welcome to my presentation on finding the estimate of the mean. If you were given a group of numbers, a long list of numbers, it can be quite tedious to work out the mean. You have to add them all up and then divide by the number that there is. Students can find this quite difficult because there's a lot of numbers and it's very easy for them to miss out on one. A way to get past this is to group it together and put it into a grouped frequency table. As you can see, we have grouped the previous example into class intervals and then the frequency that occurs between 0 and 4, 4 and 10, 10 and 16, 16 and 20. So at this point, we say, why is it an estimate? And it is an estimate because we don't get an exact value for the mean, but we get one that is in and around what it should be. The first thing that we need to do is calculate the midpoints of the class widths. Once we have the midpoints calculated, we then multiply them by the frequency. We add this up, we add the frequency up, and then we divide them. So, in summary, to find the estimate of the mean, you find the midpoint of the class interval. If it is not obvious what the midpoint is, you just add them up and divide by 2. You multiply the midpoint times the frequency, and then you add your frequency column and your last column up, and then divide them. Here are some examples for you to try. Give them a go and then press play to see the answers. While you are doing this, I would like you to think about the barriers to learning students might have while completing a task like this. How could we extend this task for higher ability students? And what differentiation could we put in place in order to support students who are not understanding the topic? Here is an extension question for you to try, have a go at it and see how you get on. This concludes my presentation on how to calculate the estimate of the mean.